there, so this is so right
Oh
there.
no, it's not. It's your sound effects.
Yeah. So whenever there's a flash, you have to press on the buttons that have the flash.
Cheese.
So you have to press on the
Cheese.
you have to press on the colors that have the flash.
Cheese.
You fail. Huh? And
Distractor.
Cheese.
you wanna play?
I wanna try. Should I volunteer as tribute?
Oh.
Yeah, wait.
Well, I pressed the wrong one.
What was your question?
Oh no, I was just gonna say what happens when you click the wrong button.
Oh.
You basically just lose a point.
Cheese. Cheese.
VCR
Does
sound.
that mean it's correct?
No, it's just for fun.
Cheese.
Sound effects for fun.
Cheese.
How do I know I got it wrong?
It will close it. It stops playing.
Cheese.